Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The Lavalier 2 is a premium lavalier microphone that is ideal for the most demanding audio and video applications. It features a revolutionary low-profile design that is incredibly discreet, making it easier to conceal than standard lavaliers. Plus an ultra-compact mounting clip that allows for more freedom when placing on talent. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. You get a nice compact zip case with Rode branding. Inside you get the Lavalier 2, a safety guide, a pop filter, a microphone clip, a mini furry windshield. Now this is something new, set of colored ID rings. So that's all what you get inside the box. It's a different design than the previous one with 3.5 mm TRS output with locking connector. The pop filter will definitely help cutting down the plosive words. When you do a side-by-side comparison with Lavalier 1, it definitely stands out. One thing which is slightly noticeable is the small Rode logo on Lavalier 2, which is definitely not distracting and will not be noticeable when shooting from a normal distance from any camera, but still is something worth mentioning. Talking about the differences between the two, it's not just a small changes in the design but also the quality of sound is different. Let's take a listen to both the microphones side by side. I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you are making mistakes then you are making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself, changing your world. You're doing things you have never done before, and more importantly, you're doing something. I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you're making mistakes then you're making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself, changing your world. You're doing things you have never done before, and more importantly, you're doing something. I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you're making mistakes then you're making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself, changing your world. You're doing things you have never done before, and more importantly, you're doing something. I hope that in this year to come you make mistakes, because if you're making mistakes then you're making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself, changing your world. You're doing things you have never done before, and more importantly, you're doing something. In terms of sound quality, definitely the Lavalier 2 has slight edge in my opinion. Also, it's a perfect companion for mic drop and AI micro. The colored rings are fun to use and gives the microphone a different look. When shooting in outside condition, in noisy condition, the windshield definitely cuts down the ambient noise and tries to give a clear audio signal. Overall, with a very flat frequency response, low noise and rich detailed voice reproduction, the Lavalier 2 delivers a superior sound suitable for a wide variety of recording applications, from broadcast and filmmaking to content creation, live streaming and even podcasting. It pairs perfectly with a range of Rode products including the Wireless Go 2 and AI Micro, and also comes with a premium accessory kit. If you're a content creator and would like to enhance your audio quality, I would say Rode Lavalier 2 is worth a look because of its compact size, portability and ease of use. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.